I haven't posted anything for a while, and that's because I'm working on my barn. I have to renovate the roof, so I removed all the tiles and put weatherproofing and new boards under it, so I can put the tiles back. As you see here, there's new weatherproofing underneath here and all the way up there, and the rolls with the weatherproofing are here. So like this, I can remove a section of tiles. I've just done it. I removed 2 sections of tiles, rolled out the rolls of weatherproofing, putting boards on it, and then I can remove the tiles from top here down to there and do the process all over again. I do like 5 square meters an hour to remove all the tiles, remove all the old boards, put the weatherproofing down, new boards and new tiles. About 4 or 5 square meters an hour, and this side alone is 200. I have 200 more on the other side, but doing it like this, I can do 1 section at a time, and where the roof is protected against the rain all the time. So slowly working my way over to the far end.